Welcome to Learning Fun with Tails. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. What is 84 divided by 7? Question 2. What is 96 divided by 8? Question 3. What is 54 divided by 6? Question 4. What is 72 divided by 9? Question 5. What is 60 divided by 5? Question 6. What is 48 divided by 6? Question 7. What is 36 divided by 4? Question 8. What is 80 divided by 10? Question 9. What is 90 divided by 15? Question 10. What is 100 divided by 20? Question 11. What is 50 divided by 10? Question 12. What is 70 divided by 7? Question 13. What is 36 divided by 9? Question 14. What is 45 divided by 5? Question 15. What is 64 divided by 8? Question 16. What is 27 divided by 3? Question 17. What is 81 divided by 9? Question 18. What is 54 divided by 9? Question 19. What is 32 divided by 4? Question 20. What is 72 divided by 8? Question 21. What is 63 divided by 7? Question 22. What is 20 divided by 5? Question 23. What is 42 divided by 6? Question 24. What is 55 divided by 5? Question 25. What is 30 divided by 6? Question 26. What is 90 divided by 10? Question 27. What is 24 divided by 4? Question 28. What is 60 divided by 6? Question 29. What is 45 divided by 9? Question 30. What is 36 divided by 6?